Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix your MSI Wi-Fi if it's not working in Windows 11, 10, 8, or 7. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you might want to at least try to just restart your computer. Okay? As most of the time, restart your computer helps fix multiple issues. Okay? Try to restart your computer and check if it helps. Now, if that still won't work, go ahead and go to your search bar. Type down CMD. Okay. Now, once the command prompt pops up, click on Run as Administrator. There will be a pop-up. Just click on Yes. And in here, just type down netsh space int space IP space reset. Okay. Hit on Enter. Now type down netsh space winsock space reset. Hit on Enter. And just type down ipconfig space /flush DNS. Okay. Again, ipconfig space /flush DNS and just hit on Enter. And then after that, it will require you to restart your computer. Just close this one, restart, and everything should work perfectly fine now. And that is it. That's how simple it is to fix your MSI Wi-Fi if it's not working in Windows 11, 10, 8, or 7. Now, if your problem is you don't have the Wi-Fi section in here, okay? There'll be some computers, most specifically desktops, okay, doesn't have a built-in Wi-Fi device, okay? You may need to purchase a dongle, okay, or a Wi-Fi device, plug it into your computer so that you'll be able to see or access Wi-Fi, okay? I'm using a desktop right here. Most of the time, I only use Ethernet, okay? And if you don't have it, if you don't have this one, connect it first to an Ethernet and then update everything. Go to System Updates right here from your search bar. Click on Check for Updates while connected to Ethernet. Install all from here, okay? And once that's done, most importantly, go to Advanced Options and click on Optional Updates or Optional Features if you have a Windows 10, 8, or 7, okay? And install all available drivers from here. And then once that's done, you can now unplug your Ethernet, restart your computer, and after that, use your Wi-Fi and everything should work perfectly fine now. That is it. That is how you fix your MSI Wi-Fi if it's not working in Windows 11, 10, 8, or 7. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.